Well, boy, look at that sun. Isn't it nice? It is 8 o'clock Wednesday morning. I am in Montana. Let me tell you a little something about Montana and the speed limit. The speed limit for trucks is 70. For cars, 80. How about that? 80 for cars, 70 for trucks. What am I doing? 60 miles an hour, keeping an eye on the rear view mirror, make sure I don't get ran over. But hey, I guess if you want to drive 80 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour, or whatever, it's Montana. Good for Montana. Tarkio, 1 mile. Wow. Believe it or not, there's a little town in Missouri called Tarkio. Oh my. Look at that. Ain't that nice? Ain't that pretty? The big skies of Montana, baby. Doing good, feeling good. Like I said, then we got about 49 miles to my diesel stop. I'll stop at Pilot. Let's see, it's way up to 40 degrees. Yes, I got the heater going. Feels good. So, enjoy your day. It's a fast report. I thought you'd give you a good little there's Tarkio. Turn off. By the way, exit 61 right there. You know, if you follow me on my map, this is I-80 northbound, eastbound. And so, look them up on the map, see where it be. And we'll catch you later. NW6J YouTube channel. Enjoy.